Hello guys, so I'm really proud of myself because we've been in quarantine for over 2 months and I have not ordered orchids online, but I did it. I bit the bullet. So now I got my package and I'm about to open it with you guys. I'm so excited. Let's see how well these babies handled the trip to my house. Very nicely wrapped. I put on my gloves to be extra careful. And these are gonna be cattleyas. And there's my first. Ooh, look at this baby. She's in good shape. Very, very well packaged. Very nicely wrapped. Lots of tape. Look at that. Wow. Very healthy plant. I can see where it had the flowers already. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. This is gonna be my biggest one. I'm gonna put her down over here. And then we have my two baby cattleyas here. Smaller babies. Wow. Oh, and I love that they have the tags. And I'm sure that one has the tags too. Check this out. So here, we're gonna have a green cattleya, see? Prada Green Deluxe. So it might take some time. She's kind of small, but it's okay. I have all the time in the world. So now, and this one is called Volcano Trick. Volcano Queen. This is gonna be a bright red cattleya. Really exotic looking. Very strong red, hints of orange in the middle. So these are my three new babies. This one being the biggest cattleya. I can't see her tag because she's so well wrapped, but she's gonna be like a medium, no, like a large off-white with a little bit of a tag. See this? Hot triple love. And then what I like about this one, is my biggest one, check out this new growth. You see that? It has one here, one here. Very healthy plant. And you can tell she's already had flowers, and she has such a small size. And these guys, they're in good shape. They're just a little thirsty. Here is the Prada Green Deluxe cattleya, looking pretty good. And this tiny one right here has this new growth. See it? It's pretty big. The Volcano Trick, Volcano Queen. So I'm gonna go ahead and find them a new home and feed them and give them some water because they've been through the postal service, so they're doing pretty good. All right, guys. So this one being the biggest one ended up in this pot. See, she has a lot of new growths and she's a big plant. That's gonna be her home, so you have an idea of what they're gonna look like. This one's gonna be here temporarily until I get another pot. This is the Volcano Queen cattleya. See, and this one is my Prada Green Deluxe. Looks a little more yellow on the picture, but I'm hoping it's more green. And these are their temporary pots.